Cypress ceilings, the hallmark of elegance in any home or business, but until now a long, messy, and possibly expensive process when you consider the poor quality materials, sloppy finishing, and lots of waste. But not anymore. Synergy Cypress has made Cypress ceilings a simple luxury and the smart choice for dealers, builders, and homeowners across the country. Dealers like the win-win Synergy provides to them and their customers. No inventory to stock and no minimum orders. Builders appreciate the beautifully finished product that's ready to install the moment it arrives at the job site. And homeowners? Well, homeowners just love the results. Wouldn't you? The key to Synergy Wood is the finishing process. Wide belt sanders remove blemishes and chatter marks, the kind of imperfections that keep traditional wood ceilings from being installed quickly and easily. Defects are removed in the plant, not at the job site, leaving the installation crew time to do what they do best: create your beautiful Synergy Cypress ceiling. Synergy offers 6 different colors and 2 kinds of wood. The stains are hand-wiped to achieve a deep, consistent color, and the boards end-matched to achieve a superior finished product. And, if you need us to, we can create custom colors to please even the pickiest client. What you get is a 100% usable product at the job site with an estimated waste of 5% or less. With Synergy, the product is top-notch right out of the box, and installation is a breeze. Synergy's interlocking tongue and groove engineering fits snugly and allows for a lovely random pattern. No measuring to trusses for a mechanical look. No more face nailing. Blind nailing keeps the surface from the factory pristine. With a traditional butt joint, the joints can shrink or pull apart, showing unfinished wood underneath. But with Synergy's superior quality end matching and nice wide tongue, even if some contraction occurs, the color still shows beautifully. What used to take 7 days of sanding, butt joining, face nailing, and staining now takes about 1 day for results many times more beautiful. When you factor in everything, time, money, and the mess potential, Synergy Cypress costs no more than the raw alternative, frequently less. Plus, there's no need to have multiple trades on the job, no messy on-site finishing, dramatically less waste, and fewer return trips for fixes. All you get is exceptional wood quality with superior color and finish consistency and easy, trouble-free installation. Synergy Cypress. It's that simple. Please call or email today for more information, and you'll join the many satisfied dealers, builders, and homeowners who say, when it has to be convenient, when it has to be quality, when it has to be beautiful, it has to be Synergy Cypress.